In the hill country, just north of San Antonio's city limit, is the beautiful town of Bulverde, Texas. Welcome to 31972 Cast Iron Cove. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and is 3,139 square feet. This Lennar home has the largest floor plan in the community. The downstairs living room is spacious with a very high ceiling and easy access to the kitchen and dining room. The kitchen has granite countertops, gas burners on the stove, and an island for the sink. There's also a more formal dining room just adjacent to the kitchen, perfect for holidays and dinner parties. There's a very spacious office downstairs as well. This huge master suite has high ceilings with tall windows to match. The master bathroom has tile flooring, a walk-in closet, and just a ton of space. The upstairs game room can be converted into another bedroom, and it comes with a custom barn door and a coveted balcony for you to enjoy the breeze. Again, this home has the largest floor plan in the community, so all of the spare bedrooms and bathrooms are very high quality. Enjoy the hill country views and access to preserved greenbelt trails from this amazing backyard. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.